And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Lee, who is present via Zoom. Ma'am, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
Aubrey Lee.
All right, I have a plea form in front of me that she's going to be pleading guilty to operating while intoxicated, the 93-day offense. On her successful plea, well, she's going to be pleading to count 2 as stated.
Correct, Your Honor.
Count 1 would be dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. That is my understanding of the agreement that I have discussed with Ms. Lee.
Ma'am, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name again for the record, please.
Aubrey Rayanne Lee.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while intoxicated. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to 93 days in jail to a $500 fine plus court costs. Court could order community service and any rehabilitative programs the court deems necessary. Court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
I also do have to advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Freshour in the 14A4 District Court. You understand that?
I understand.
To that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You went through an advice of rights form with your attorney and gave her permission to sign your name to it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
You understand that you're giving up all the rights on that form, particularly those contained in paragraph 5, which are your trial rights.
Yes.
By entry of this plea. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you in any manner?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
August 17, 2025, at the location of North Maple Road in the city of Saline, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, you consumed intoxicating liquor.
Yes.
What did you have and how much?
I had beers. 2.
2 beers?
Yeah.
What size beers?
Coronas.
That's an interesting size. What size, how large were these beers?
I'm not sure the fluid ounces. I'm sorry.
Were you stopped by the police or was there an accident?
Stopped by the police.
Why'd they stop you?
For not completing my stop while turning right.
Okay. Were you ultimately arrested?
Yes.
Are you challenging the right of the police to stop you in this case?
No.
Were you taken to the hospital or to the police station?
Straight to the police station.
Did they give you a data master or intoxilizer test?
Yes.
What were the results?
Your Honor, I would stipulate that the results were 0.170 and 0.160.
How large were these beers?
Oh, I don't know, Your Honor.
Ma'am, are you sure you only had 2?
I was on an empty stomach. I'm not a drinker, so
Okay, that didn't answer my question. Are you
yes.
sure you only had two?
Yes.
And these beers were smaller than you are?
I wish I knew the fluid ounces. I'm sorry.
Do you have any reason to dispute those results?
No.
Ma'am, I do have to advise you that between the time that I accept your plea in this case and your time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under Michigan court rules, any evaluation or sentence recommendation, the court is no longer bound by. You understand that?
I understand.
And you also would not be entitled to withdraw your plea.
I understand.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have caused this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And has the court complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1484. Sentencing in this matter will be
October 28th at 9 a.m.
October 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Are you on a sober link, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
How many times are you blowing a day?
Twice a day.
I'm increasing that to 3 times a day at leading your order. You gave answers to my questions that are indicative of somebody that may have another problem. So I'm going to make sure there isn't one. And so that when you get before Judge Freshour, you can at least say I've been blowing 3 times a day clean.
That's
So
fair.
I'll be preparing that order. Bond will continue otherwise.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Lee. You're all set for today.
Thank you.
Andrew, what size beer did you have? Budweiser? No, never mind. Court calls the case. The people versus Quran the Master.